Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to invest in the Nigerian stock market in 2025, even if you've never invested a kobo before. Before we dive in, I want to let you know something very important. If you want me to hold your hands and personally teach you how to invest in the Nigerian stock market or lucrative businesses you can start and succeed without so much stress, just send me an email via the link in my channel description or the video description below. I'll sure respond to serious learners. Also, please show your support for this channel by liking this video and subscribing so we can grow this great community of smart investors together. Trust me, it really helps and it motivates me to bring more quality content for you. Without wasting much time, let's get started. As someone that wants to invest in the stock market, the first question you need to ask yourself is, why invest in the stock market? Many beginners think the stock market is more than risky, complicated, or only for the rich, but that's not true. The Nigerian stock market is usually one of the easiest ways for anyone to grow their money over time, even with as little as 5,000 naira to 10,000 naira. Here are four reasons why you should consider investing. 1. Wealth growth over time. Nigerian companies like GTCO, Zenith Bank, Dangote Cement and Access Bank have consistently rewarded shareholders through dividends and capital appreciation. Number 2, passive income. Certain stocks pay dividends regularly. This means you earn money just by holding the shares. The third reason why you should consider investing is inflation hedge. Your money in a savings account loses value over time due to inflation. Investing in stocks can give you higher returns than traditional savings. 4, flexibility. You can invest anytime, anywhere using apps like Bamboo, which I'll guide you through step by step today. Another thing you need to know before you start investing in the stock market is understanding basic stock market terms. Before we open the Bamboo app, let's get familiar with some key terms every beginner must know. 1. Stocks or shares. Stock is a general term for ownership of a piece of a company, while shares are the actual unit of ownership you hold in that stock. For example, if stock is the bread, shares are the slices, so get this clear before you start investing. 2. Dividends. This is profit the company shares with its shareholders. 3. Market price. This is the current price of a stock in the market. It fluctuates depending on demand, company performance, and overall market sentiment. 4. EPS. EPS means earnings per share. It shows how much profit a company makes per share. High EPS often signals a profitable company. 5. PE ratio. PE ratio means price to earnings ratio. PE ratio helps you know if a stock is overvalued or undervalued. Lower PE may indicate a bargain but always combined with other factors. 6. Portfolio. Portfolio is your collection of stocks or assets. Beginners should aim for diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, but at the same time, don't spread yourself too thin. And the last question you need to ask yourself before we dive into creating your stock account is, why use Bamboo app? Because it's easy to use, perfect for beginners, access to US and Nigerian stocks, it is secured and regulated, and lastly, fast account setup. We will use Bamboo as our main app for today, so make sure you have it installed on your phone or go to Play Store or App Store and download it. So stage 1, let's create your Bamboo account, and this first stage has 6 different steps on it. So the first step is open your Bamboo app and clean sign up. Step 2, enter your full name, email, and phone number. After you're done with that, then the step 3 is to verify your phone number with the OTP sent to you. Step 4, set up a strong password. So after that, the next thing is to move to step 5. Step 5 is to complete your KYC verification. On this part, you'll be expected to upload a valid government ID like your NIN, driver's license, or international passport. And the last step, which is step 6, is to link your bank account to fund your investments. Please make sure your details match your bank account to avoid delays. I mean, your information you provided creating this account should tally with your bank account details. That is what I mean. So after creating your stock account, we move to stage 2, and stage 2 is funding your Bamboo account. The first step here is to open your Bamboo dashboard. Then step 2 is to scroll down and click NGN wallet. It will open, then click deposits. After that, you move to step 3. And step 3 is to enter the amount you want to invest. Even 5,000 naira is enough to start. Step 4 is to select your preferred payment method, either bank transfer or debit card. After that, you move to step 5. Step 5 is to confirm the payment. Your balance will now reflect in your Bamboo account. The next stage, which is stage 3, is researching stocks. Don't forget that before buying, research is key. Then next is stage 3. Stage 3 is buying your first stock. And step 1 of it, go to your Bamboo app, search for the company on the search bar. Example, let's say GTCO. Step 2, click buy. Step 3 is to enter the number of shares you want to buy, and under it will display the amount for the said quantity that you want. So step 4 is for you to review the estimated price and fees. So after you're done reviewing the estimated price and fees, the last step, which is step 5, is to confirm the purchase. So stage 4 is selling stocks. In case you want to sell your stocks, these are the steps for you to follow. Step 1 is for you to scroll down and tap NG stocks, then select the stock in your portfolio. Step 2, you click sell. Then step 3, you click sell now and then proceed with market order, and then enter the number of shares you want to sell. Step 4 is for you to confirm the sale. The funds will be credited to your Bamboo account or wallet, which you can then withdraw to your bank account. So the alternative way you can deposit money in your wallet is to go to your dashboard and click add money. It will open, then you select either USD wallet or NGN wallet. So in this case, we are selecting NGN wallet. Then you click on it. The next page will open for you to enter the amount you want to deposit, and after entering the amount, then you click deposit. After that, you select payment type. In this case, we'll select direct bank transfer, and once your Naira account details opens, you can copy the account details and head straight to your bank app to complete the payment. Then if you want to withdraw money from your account, you click on withdraw, then select where you want to withdraw from, either USD wallet, NGN wallet, or US brokerage account. But for this video, we are selecting NGN wallet. So click on NGN wallet and it opens for you to enter the amount you want to withdraw, and then tap on continue. From there, where to withdraw to will open, either to NGN bank account, USD bank account, or to USD wallet. So for this video, we are selecting NGN bank account, and when you click on that, the bank account that you linked to your Bamboo account will appear, and you have option to add a new bank account, as you can see below. So for this video, we are selecting the linked bank account, and it will open a new page for you to review bank transfer before you click proceed. And that is that for withdrawal. If you want to explore other asset offerings, just click on invest and you will get to see all of them, starting from US stocks, NGN stocks, treasury bills, Naira savings, fixed returns, and managed portfolio. Then if you want to see your transactions history, click on the bell icon at the top right corner and select the one you want to see, either it's for US stocks, NG stocks, or you want to see all. So these are the few basic things that you need to get familiar with on this app. And finally, before we wrap up, there are a few tips you need to get familiar with or you need to know before or during the course of your investing journey. Pro tip 1, start small while learning the process. You can gradually increase your investments while you gain confidence. Tip number 2, don't panic if stock price dips. Focus on long-term growth, not daily fluctuations. Tip number 3, avoid selling during a small dip. Think long-term. Remember I said earlier, if you want me to personally teach you and hold your hand through your first investment and subsequently guiding you through your business and investment journey, send me an email using the link in the channel description or this video below. And that's it. You now have a step-by-step beginner's guide to investing in the Nigerian stock market in 2025 using the Bamboo app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to support our journey of becoming smart entrepreneurs together. Start today, take small steps, and watch your investments grow over time. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time. Invest wisely and stay consistent.